Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss another topic from event management, that is exhibition or trade show. First thing we need to understand that exhibition is a major component of MICE. MICE stands for meeting, incentive, convention and exhibition. Coming to the definition, an exhibition in the most general sense is an organized presentation and display of a selection of items. A very simple definition, but important thing we need to understand in this, that an exhibition is an organized presentation and display. Organized means it is pre-decided, it is pre-planned, okay, of a selection of item. When we say selection of item means of a particular category, of a particular industry, of a particular profession, okay. Purpose of trade show. Trade show, when we say, it is an alternate word we are using for exhibition. So we can also call it purpose of exhibition. Primary purpose or the first purpose is to provide an area, a place for the exchange of information between companies and potential client. Okay, so first thing, first purpose of exhibition or trade show is to provide an area for what? For exchange of information between whom? Between companies and potential client. Who are companies? Companies are those people who have come there to exhibit their product. And who are potential client? Potential client are the people who are coming to attend that particular exhibition. Exhibitor can compare their product with others. This is another purpose. When exhibitor go for an exhibition, for a trade show, definitely he'll be find same category or same industry product in different stalls. So he can go, he can check same category of his type of product in other stalls also, and he can find out the what are the goods and bads in his product. Then attendees can closely examine competitive products. Those people who are going to attend this exhibition or trade show can closely examine competitive products. For example, a person is going to buy a pen. When he's going to buy a pen, he can, there are five shop related to stationery. So he can check in all those five. So he can find out, okay, this is the best pen in the best price. So he can compare and he can find and we can purchase. So he can closely do this. Rather, when we go to a market, he'll be finding a one stationery shop in one particular area, so he don't have choice. But here, there are more choice. Provide an opportunity to establish link. This is very important point, as trade show for people come to exhibit their product, but their main motive is to create link, is to make network. Okay, so when people meet the people of different businesses, new ideas comes in, new business ideas will be there. You wanted to do that particular thing, new people want to do new business, so these things will be happening. And maybe a person who is a manufacturer of that particular product, he'll be and there's a person who want to take dealership of that particular product. So this all things will be taking place during this particular trade show. So this is another purpose of a trade show. Serve as source of revenue for show organizers, sponsor, and exhibitor. Um, Definitely, when a trade show is taking place, it is not a social work. It is not. It is for the society, definitely, but it is a business, and the organizer who are organizing the show will be earning directly, because there will be fees charged from the exhibitors who's coming to put their stall. They have to pay for their stall charges. There'll be a lot of other people, attendees who come. Sometimes they have a entry fees and all these things, so they'll be earning definitely. Sponsors will be definitely earning, yes, they give a lot of money to, they sponsor with lot of money for the event, but they earn, how they earn is their product get promoted. When an event is taking place, their name will be attached to that particular event, and because their name is there, people see their name, the advertisement happens, and because of this promotion, people go to their particular product and they purchase it, and indirectly they get revenue. Exhibitors, definitely, because an exhibitor has a shop and has an outlet, and He is displaying and presenting the items. He'll be selling it also, so, and indirectly he'll be generating the revenue. Next, last purpose of a trade show is generate various employment opportunity. Uh, Definitely, we can say that it is a not long-term employment opportunity. It's a short-term, but it's an opportunity. It's an employment opportunity because when a trade show or exhibition is taking place, there'll be plenty of jobs will be done. Like people will be coming in, they'll be needing hotels to stay for transportation. They'll be needing drivers, the cabs, uh, for infrastructure development like roads, electricity, water supply, okay, drainage, and all these things. You'll be needing a lot of manpower. Then during the event, you'll be needing cleaning services, security services, food and beverage services, volunteers. Okay, so there'll be many committees, and there'll be many people who will be involved in this particular trade show. So validly, we can say that the this is also one of the most important purpose of a trade show, that it generates various employment opportunities. Next is type of exhibitions. There are three types of exhibitions: industrial shows, trade shows, professional, scientific exhibition. Industrial shows are those kind of exhibition in which manufacturer exhibit their current product or maybe some new product to the buyers. Buyers are those people who are interested in that particular product or who want to know about that particular product. Okay. So manufacturer, they come with their current product which is already in the market, or they come up with something new, some new product which they have made and they want to launch it. Okay, so they come with a new product to provide information to the buyers about it, about their product. Then trade show, what happens in this? Seller contact all type of buyer of that particular trade. um, those people who come to exhibit their product, what they do, they come with their product and they try to provide information related to the product, and um, with the motive of having more dealership of their product in that particular area or that state or that particular country. Then the professional or scientific exhibition, in this meeting of specialized organizations. Okay, some particular kind of organization people only, they come in this kind of exhibition. Each and every person or anyone from anywhere is not allowed to attend this kind of exhibition. It is exclusive.